Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 4th of August 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Bank Nifty and the world markets. So whatever has happened today in the market is purely based on my point of view, and this video commentary is only for the entertainment purpose. So today I am going to teach you how to make losses in options. Now let's get back to the screen and see how we make it happen today and what were the things we did for it to happen and make sure that it worked in our favor. So yes, as said, we are back on the charts and we had given the levels yesterday. Has said that the markets are expected to open gap down, which was this level here somewhere around. There was a pivot level. I'm gonna put the pivot level back again and then show you all how it was. So as we can see, sorry, okay, coming back over here. We can the markets are close about this pivot level. We had given the target one of the market open. If the market opens here, from here the market will go to second target, which was here, and then third, and then fourth. The markets, we are right now in Nifty futures, and the markets are exactly opened over here. So it opened over here as expected. The global cues, everything was looking positive, and then from this point. It should have gone up, but from here it started to sell, and then from here it crossed this pivot line, closed below this pivot line, target number one, target number two, target number three, target number four. So target number 4, 5, 6, 7, it has touched below 7 pivot levels, selling from 17,500 ish to 17,100. That's a very huge fall in a day, and that's a lot. That's a lot. So let us see what exactly going to happen. The Dow Jones seems to be trading lower, and and at the time I am recording this video, the Dow Jones is trading 58 points lower at 32,753, and FI have provisional have bought today for 1474.77 CR. DII provisional have sold for 46.7 CR. I wonder how come FII is buying so heavily and DII has only sold very minimal, which is 46 crore is nothing for them. It's like peanuts. It's like 4,000 rupees. How it is for us, it's like 46,000 for them, 46 crore for them. It's nothing. It's really nothing for them. But I don't know. They have just sold so much, but still still the market landed, but still the markets went lower. I assume this is because five Chinese missile lands in Japan exclusively economic zone, which is near Hatiruma. I don't know, Hatiruma. It's a quite outer island from the main island of Japan. That's what they say. There was an article about this. So we do not know exactly how things are gonna go about the world war, but I assume that this might have caused the fall of Nifty and the entire stock market today. Now, coming back to the Bank Nifty, where we are gonna learn how to make losses. So yes, coming back over here, this is like only for entertainment purpose. Again, I repeat, trade on your own things. Alright, so as expected, the market had closed above this pivot level. Our target was target 1. If opened above this pivot level, we're going to touch target 2, target 3, target 4. So these are like target 2, target 3, and that's what happened. The markets opened higher, and then we took a call position over here. We took a call position here, and if you do not believe me, I am going to show it to you right now, right away. So that's where we go. We have 37,600, 37,700, 38,000 call was taken in the early mornings around this level, about this pivot level, and then we tend to hold about this level, and and we booked our losses somewhere around this point, which was a lot. No, we booked our losses somewhere around this point. a lot because I was out at around 11:30 ish, doing some other work, so I just could not stay in front of the system. And this is one of my biggest losses in a day, which I have taken. I have never gone for the first time. I mean, I've never had such a big losses in my career. So this is, you can say, one of my highest losses. Not mine. I mean, I have had bigger losses than this, but this was unexpectedly happened. But if I had been in front of the system, this would have not happened. So what happened after this? I don't know what happened. I think somewhere around here I entered PE again accidentally, and then again I just tried to exit the trade, but until then again 1200 losses were there, and then I just thought let's give a try to zero hero trade. So I bought this option at around 46. Yeah, I bought this around 46. My stop loss was around somewhere around 30, 25. It touched 25. Sorry, this one, yeah. So this one it touched 25. After touching 25, my stop loss got hit. From there, it went to 155. So if you don't believe me, see, this is 37,600. I come over here, go to the orders and watch here, which is 37,600. Yeah, for 46 was my entry, 10 points, quick stop loss. That was like around 8 minutes. And after right over there, 230 was my exit. Okay, 230 was my exit. Let's go watch the chart of this, and I don't know if I will be able to watch it or not. Let us give it a try. Yes, I will be. So once I open this, my exit was at 230. So let's go on the 1 minute time frame and try to see it. So 1 minute, we come on 1 minute time frame. Okay, make it quick, make it quick, make it quick, make it quick. So exactly 230 was my exit, which is around this level. Yeah, 230 was my exit, as you see. Yeah, 230 on this level, which is 31, 32. And from there, you believe it or not, you will see how it went 32 to 68, came down to again 30. From there, damn, it has not even looked back. 137, down, 96, again up to 230. I just also missed a chance of making, you can say, 600-700%, 600% returns if I'm not wrong. So we can select 46 minus 230. Even if we capture 184, that's a lot. That's like 300%, 350% returns. Again, what I am telling in this video is only for the entertainment purpose. This mindset, please do not follow it anywhere. This is absolutely wrong. You should never follow it. Whatever gone is gone. Whatever coming in is come. In order to make everyday profit, some days there will be there where you have to see this kind of heavy losses, which is again a good thing. It is a good part of your journey, and it helps you improvise your trades, learn from your mistakes, and never make losses again. But in case if you if you did not knew how to make losses, I think this is the one video I can say would be a great example on how to make losses. You can see it here. I have 38,100 PE, 38,000 call option, which of the next expiry. Then with the risky trade, we tried at the current expiry, which was 37,700 CE, 37,600 CE. We can again see it over here in our order books. If you come over here, you can see it. Yeah, so this was it. This was our trade mornings, and that's how it goes. So, well, thank you so much everyone for staying up until here. See you all in the next episode. Trade safely.